For over 4 years, Nikon fans have been waiting for a camera that could truly succeed the legendary D500. The D500 wasn't just another DSLR, it was a benchmark for professional DX cameras. Rugged, fast, and dependable, it provided pro-level performance without the cost of Nikon's full-frame flagships. Wildlife photographers relied on it to capture fast-moving animals, sports shooters trusted it during critical moments, and action photographers praised its consistency and durability. Its combination of speed, precision, and portability made it a standout, and its discontinuation in 2022 left a significant gap in Nikon's lineup. Since then, Nikon's DX mirrorless cameras, like the Z50 and the ZFC, have catered to enthusiasts and casual users. These cameras are compact, stylish, and capable for everyday photography, but they lack the advanced autofocus, high burst rates, and robust build quality that professionals expect from a D500 successor. Serious wildlife and sports photographers, who rely on precision and endurance in challenging environments, have been left waiting for a true DX flagship. That is why the growing rumors surrounding the Nikon Z90 have reignited excitement within the Nikon community. The Z90 is rumored to be the camera that finally fills this void, bridging the gap between Nikon's DX heritage and modern mirrorless technology. Insider reports suggest that the Nikon Z90 will carry forward everything that made the D500 great, but with mirrorless advantages. The Z90 is expected to feature a 33-megapixel APS-C sensor, the highest resolution ever seen in Nikon's DX lineup. This resolution promises incredible detail and generous cropping flexibility, allowing wildlife photographers to capture distant subjects without sacrificing image quality. Even with significant crop, images should remain sharp and detailed, providing professional-grade results from a smaller body. But while resolution is important, the real hallmark of a flagship is speed, and Nikon appears to be addressing this directly. Paired with Nikon's latest X-speeded processor, the Z90 is rumored to achieve burst rates between 15 and 20 frames per second, with potential for even higher speeds using an electronic shutter. A large buffer is expected, capable of handling hundreds of raw files before slowing, ensuring that photographers won't miss critical action. For wildlife and sports photographers, this performance is essential. Split-second timing can make the difference between capturing a defining moment or losing it forever. Video features also appear to be a significant focus. Rumors indicate oversampled 4K recording at 60 frames per second, with potential higher frame rate options for slow-motion capture. This positions the Z90 as a hybrid powerhouse, equally capable for stills and video. Perhaps the most exciting potential upgrade is in-body image stabilization, a feature previously absent in Nikon's DX mirrorless line. IBIS would allow photographers and videographers to reduce camera shake across almost any lens, making handheld shooting in low light or dynamic situations far more reliable. For content creators and hybrid shooters, this could be transformative. Autofocus is another area where the Z90 is expected to shine. Nikon reportedly plans to incorporate advanced subject tracking with recognition for humans, animals, birds, and vehicles. Face and eye detection are likely to be included, ensuring sharp focus even in fast-paced or unpredictable scenes. Paired with the X-speeded processor, autofocus could become both faster and smarter than anything Nikon has offered in DX mirrorless before. For professionals, this level of precision can save valuable frames and reduce missed opportunities. The combination of IBIS, high-resolution imaging, and advanced autofocus could make the Z90 one of the most versatile DX cameras ever produced. High-speed burst shooting, enhanced video capabilities, and modern mirrorless performance could position it as a direct competitor to Canon's EOS R7 and Fujifilm's X-H2S. These rivals have dominated the APS-C mirrorless space for years, offering fast continuous shooting, advanced autofocus, and professional video features. The Z90 gives Nikon a chance to reassert itself in this segment and win back photographers who may have migrated to competing systems. However, Nikon faces challenges beyond specifications. One critical consideration is lens support. While Nikon's full-frame Z-mount lenses are excellent, the DX lineup has been limited. Many DX lenses are slower zooms aimed at beginners, offering few professional-grade telephoto or prime options. A high-performance camera like the Z90 would likely require photographers to use full-frame FX lenses, which are often heavy and expensive, potentially undermining the portability advantage of a crop sensor body. Canon and Fujifilm have built robust ecosystems around their APS-C systems, giving them an edge that Nikon must address to fully capitalize on the Z90's potential. Pricing and positioning are equally important. Rumors suggest a body-only price of $1,500 to $2,000, placing the Z90 in the enthusiast to semi-professional range. While this may seem high compared to entry-level APS-C cameras, the performance and features being promised justify the investment. For wildlife and sport shooters, the effective reach provided by a 400mm DX lens offers immense practical value without requiring massive, expensive telephoto lenses. The Z90 could provide a middle ground, professional capabilities in a compact, approachable body. Timing remains a pressing factor. The longer Nikon waits, the more the APS-C market continues to evolve under Canon and Fujifilm's lead. Canon's EOS R7 has already demonstrated blackout-free 30 fps shooting with advanced AI-driven autofocus, while Fujifilm's X-H2S boasts a stacked sensor capable of near-instant readouts and high-speed continuous shooting. If Nikon delays the Z90 further, it risks losing a generation of DX photographers who have already shifted their loyalty to these competitors. Despite these challenges, optimism runs high. The Nikon Z90 has the potential to be the DX mirrorless flagship that professionals have been waiting for. If rumors hold true, it will feature a stacked or backside illuminated sensor, fast burst shooting, IBIS, advanced autofocus, and robust video capabilities, all wrapped in a body designed for durability and portability. These features could make it an ideal choice for wildlife, sports, and hybrid shooters who require a versatile camera capable of handling both demanding photography and professional-level video. Video performance is especially promising. With oversampled 4K 60p and potential slow-motion recording at higher frame rates, the Z90 could rival hybrid offerings from Canon and Fujifilm. Internal 10-bit recording, professional log profiles, and extended recording limits could allow content creators to work in more demanding environments without overheating or interruptions. Combined with in-body stabilization, these video features make the Z90 appealing not just to photographers but also to videographers seeking a high-performance crop sensor solution. The Z90's autofocus and tracking systems could also redefine APS-C mirrorless performance. Predictive tracking, face and eye detection, and subject recognition for animals and vehicles are expected to make shooting fast-moving subjects easier than ever. For professional users, this can drastically improve success rates for wildlife, sports, and action photography, where milliseconds matter. In conclusion, the Nikon Z90 appears poised to revive the D500's legacy, bringing professional DX mirrorless photography back to Nikon's lineup. Its rumored high-resolution sensor, advanced autofocus, fast burst rates, IBIS, and hybrid video capabilities could make it a versatile, all-in-one tool for modern shooters. Pricing between $1,500 and $2,000 would position it as an attainable professional option, and careful timing could help Nikon reclaim market share from Canon and Fujifilm. If executed well, the Z90 could not only honor the D500's reputation but also define the next era of APS-C mirrorless performance, appealing to wildlife, sports, and hybrid photographers alike.